It's Valentine's Day! Well, not today, but the day that you're watching this. Probably the day that you're watching this. Well, it was Valentine's Day. There's Valentine's Day like in the atmosphere. So, I don't have a boyfriend. I've never had a boyfriend, so you can't miss what you haven't had. But somehow I do miss it. Well, I guess it's not miss, it's just what you want to have it. I don't need a boyfriend, I don't need anything. I don't care that I don't have a boyfriend because Valentine's Day is also for friends. I'm just rambling. What we're doing today, we're baking a pink cake because obviously I was gonna make something resembling the festivities. So I'm gonna make a pink cake that if you're alone and you, like me, don't have a boyfriend, you can have for yourself as your self-care day, because we should all have that. It's good for your mental health, that now mine is suffering. No, just kidding, everybody's is. It's just good for you. And if you do have a loved one, you can also do it for a friend as well, or for your family. So yeah, basically we're doing a healthy baked cake. It's a Valentine's recipe, yes. I'm guessing you're thinking, how are you gonna make it pink? And you probably think, obviously, she's gonna use food coloring. No, we don't use that shit. I mean, we could. That one is not that bad. It's chemicals, but it's not like super bad. But no, we're not using that. I went to this shop where they sell vegetables. It used to be a coffee shop actually. But because of this, now they sell vegetables because you have to adapt or you die. That sounds so depressing, but it's true. So now they sell fruits and vegetables and organic. It's a market. And I found... Let me just get it. No! Damn it! Basically, I bought a sweet potato, one purple, one pink. This is the pink one. Thank goodness this one is alive. The purple one went... No! Damn it! And I really wanted the purple one, to try the purple one as well. Now I'll have to go back and buy a purple one again. But I was worried that the pink one was gonna be the affected one. Thank goodness it's not, so... We're okay, we're good. I need to clean that. So yeah, you need... Well, if you don't have and you can't find a pink sweet potato, then I'll suggest you buy the food coloring and you can still do it, or it's not gonna be pink. Or you can use a beetroot, that is also an option. Beetroot is naturally pinky. Or you can use a beetroot, that is also an option. Beetroot is naturally pinky. You need sweet potato, protein powder, or more oats. I'm gonna use both, like you can use oats and protein powder or just protein powder, whatever. I'll be showing you while I do it. Shall we do this? Where is the thingy? It's so late and I haven't even had breakfast yet, so my stomach is like... You know when it makes that sound? It's my day when I don't have uni in the morning. It was today or never. Go to 0! This is gonna be really easy. You put a scoop of oats, 30 grams of oats, and then you either bake the sweet potato, or like me, because I don't have the patience for it, you take a knife and you stab your sweet potato in multiple parts, and then my knife is stuck, and then you put it in a little thingy with a little bit of water, and you put it in the microwave for like 5 minutes, depending on the size of your sweet potato. While that is in the microwave, you add about a teaspoon of cinnamon, the sugar-free syrup, as always 20 milliliters, about 30 grams of cocoa powder, You know that I say 30? Change it. It's not 30, it's 25 grams of cocoa powder. Now that I think about it, we're probably not gonna need the protein powder. So there you go. One thing less that you don't need. Boom. I'll add everything that I use in the description box because I found that, I don't know why I didn't think about that before. But now I did, so that's cool. That's cool. Then you take the salt. Boom. Himalayan salt or whatever salt you have. It's salty salt. And you take a pinch because that activates the cocoa powder. If you didn't know that, there you go. Facts. And then we look for milk and yogurt. Milk. I'm looking for a good time. No, I am not. I am not looking for a good time. Thank you very much. First we mix this. Mix. Yes, I'm mixing with a knife because I don't know. I can't be asked to go for the spoon now. I was almost forgetting the baking powder. A teaspoon of baking powder. I don't know why I'm showing you my face instead of me adding the baking powder. Mix that all up. I mean, if I can do this, you can do this too. You see? It's so easy. Oh my god, I'm going to sneeze. Phew. Achoo. It's not coming. Why is it not coming? That stressed me out so much. They told me a secret. Harry, the chicken, showed me a secret that it's like when you want to sneeze, you look up and then you'll sneeze. Is it coming? Is it not? I think it passed already, but if you ever don't know how to sneeze, there you go. I'm helping you with that as well. You see? You're learning so much in here. I'm not. It's making noises, my sweet potato, so I think it's ready. Yeah, it's ready. Do you? Oh my lord. I think it's not pink in the inside. Well, that's... No, don't say that. Why is it called pink? Only because of the outside then? Oh, you forks. Let me just... don't tell me that you're not pink. It's not pink. Change of plans. Change of scenery. Because I don't have food color. You know what? Remember what I said that you could use a beetroot? Or you can use a beetroot. That is also an option. I guess. It's gonna get messy. That's really triggering. This is gonna be my lunch since it's not good for this purpose. I am hungry. They call it pink only because it's pink on the outside. What on earth? I thought it would be pink in the inside too. Because I've seen them, you know, I've seen them. Like, the purple one at least. I thought. Meanwhile, let's see. How much yogurt do we put? How much milk do we put? Is it weird that I kind of want to put pepper? I don't know why. I just have that feeling of, like, putting pepper and stuff. But I won't. Because you're probably thinking that I'm weird already. And I am. And I don't care, to be honest. 30 grams of yogurt. 40 grams of yogurt. Pardon me, mouth. I love beetroot. That's the weird thing. I don't like to eat beetroot on their own. But in sweet stuff, they are absolutely delightful. Yes, I said delightful because it's a word that I like to use in my vocabulary because it just sounds nice. Kind of fancy, but not really fancy. It's just like super nice. Delightful. Just not. Yesterday was quite a day for me, so my brain's just like, nah, not having it. Just I'll do whatever I want. Good at me. It sounds like why did I do that? How am I gonna put this back in the fridge? It's dripping. You know, the worst part is that the one that we threw away, the one that was rotten, was purple, so that one could have worked. But my luck just decided that that one was gonna be the one that was gonna course it was. Of course it was. You put the beetroot and egg white. To be honest with you, I'm experimenting, so you know, it's not an egg white, it's 2 egg whites. Now that I think, you know what? No. Let's see. Let's mix this fast. Mix this. I have to blend this up. Some days are better than others. Boom! I shouldn't have used chocolate because now it's not gonna be pink. It's red velvet though. It's red velvet! I want it to be pink and it's not. It's still delicious, but it's not pink. And I want it pink. So then we pour it in. I know how I'm gonna call this. I'm gonna call this Valentine's breakfast recipe. Goes to the oven for 20 minutes. Oof. While that is on there, I'm having my fruit because I'm hungry. And I always have fruit in the morning. And tell me, how are you feeling? Is it snowing where you are? Sometimes I just feel like I have absolutely no idea who watches these videos. I just kind of want to know, like, get to know the people. Maybe it's weird. I do care, even if it's a fake name or whatever. Can you put a comment without an account? I don't know, but just tell me your name or fake name if you want to. I don't mind. Invent a story if you want to. Just like say, how was your day? What you're planning on doing on Valentine's? Do you have a couple or are you single? Tell me a little bit about your life, about yourself. Pause this video now. Pause it now. Because I care. So now it's time to decorate. To decorate, I'm gonna put some yogurt on the top to mix with cinnamon. Like that. Obviously, if you have Greek yogurt, that will be better. Some raspberries. And some of this granola that is pink that I really like. It's not a sponsor, obviously. And there we go. Boom, boom, boom. Time for the taste test. Oh my lord, looks so good. That's amazing. So moist. Well, as always, that's everything. As always, that's everything for this video, and I hope you had a good Valentine's Day, and that you remember you don't really need somebody to be happy. Like, it's nice, I get it, and it's not like you're always gonna be alone. I feel like there's a time and a moment for everything, and maybe right now is your time to discover and love yourself and focus on your career, or it's just not the right time to be with somebody. You're just waiting for the time when that somebody comes, and when that time comes, I'm gonna get so cheesy now, but like, it'll be as if they were always there. That's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed, hope you tried, and see you later.